Present perfect tense, indicative mood. Past participle is used with has or have to make sentences with action that have been done or happened in the past but whose result can be seen in the present tense. Now see the first example. She has planned the article. Passive voice. The article has been planned by her. Next example, active voice. We have watched that movie twice. Passive voice. That movie has been watched by us twice. Active voice. I have read this book before. Passive voice. This book has been read by me before. Active voice. She has cooked the dinner for us. Now see the passive voice. The dinner has been cooked by her for us. Active voice. She has written a letter to his friend. Passive voice. A letter has been written by him to his friend. Active voice. They have completed the projects on time. Passive voice. The project have been completed by them on time. Active voice. They have cleaned the entire house. Passive voice. The entire house has been cleaned by them. Active voice. He has bought a new car. Passive voice. A new car has been bought by him. Active voice. I have misplaced my wallet. Passive voice. My wallet has been misplaced by me. Active voice. They have started a new business. Passive voice. A new business has been started by them. Active voice. She has painted the living room. Passive voice. The living room has been painted by her. Active voice. He has found his missing cat. Passive voice. His missing cat has been found by him. Active voice. She has completed the assignments. Passive voice. The assignment have been completed by her. Active voice. He has improved his English skills. Passive voice. His English skills have been improved by him. Active voice. We have discussed this issue before. Passive voice. This issue has been discussed by us before. Active voice. He has repaired the broken fence. Passive voice, the broken fence has been repaired by him. They have understood the lesson well. Passive voice, the lesson has been understood by them well. Active voice, they have planted a garden. Passive voice, a garden has been painted by them. Active voice, he has updated the resume. Passive voice, the resume has been updated by him. Active voice, I have cooked a delicious meal. Passive voice, a delicious meal has been cooked by me. Active voice, she has planned the trip perfectly. Passive voice, the trip has been planned by her perfectly. Active voice, they have adopted a new pet. Passive voice, a new pet has been adopted by them. Active voice, she has finished the homework. Passive voice, the homework has been finished by her. Active voice, they have opened a new restaurant. Passive voice, a new restaurant has been opened by them. Active voice, she has baked a cake for the party. Passive voice, a cake has been baked by her for the party. Active voice, she has fixed the broken chair. Passive voice, the broken chair has been fixed by him. Active voice, she has written a new book. Passive voice, a new book has been written by her. Active voice, she has organized this workplace. Passive voice, this workplace has been organized by him. Active voice, she has launched a new product to the market. Passive voice, a new product has been launched by her to the market. Active voice, he has captured the images. Passive voice, the images have been captured by him. In next tutorial, I will bring you tenses in English grammar with meaningful lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest videos notification and share this video among your friends. See you in a future video.